Hello guys, welcome and welcome back to Rukias kitchen. Today I'm going to show you how to make these tasty and easy chicken fingers known as kababu za kuku in Kiswahili. If you haven't subscribed to my YouTube channel, please kindly do so you don't get to miss any of my videos each and every week. Then stay tuned to enjoy my recipe. On today's ingredients, you're going to need 1 tablespoon of garam masala, 1 tablespoon of curry powder, a half a kg of chicken breasts, some salt to taste, 1 teaspoon of black pepper, 1 tablespoon of garlic paste, 1 tablespoon of ginger paste, 1 grated carrot, 4 medium large eggs, some breadcrumbs, 1 lime or you can use lemon, and lastly a handful of coriander leaves. In a medium large pot, you're going to add the chicken breast. Make sure you've washed and cut it into pieces. Then sprinkle some salt. Add 1 teaspoon of black pepper, 1 tablespoon of garlic paste, 1 tablespoon of ginger paste, and lastly squeeze 1 lime. And mix everything well and nice. Then cover the chicken to cook on a medium heat until nicely cooked. Once the chicken starts to release some water, open the lid and then you're going to add the remaining spices, which are 1 tablespoon of garam masala and 1 tablespoon of curry powder. And mix everything well and nice and let the chicken to cook on a medium heat until nicely cooked and completely dry. Once the chicken is nicely cooked and completely dry like this, then your chicken is ready, and remove it from the heat and place it aside. In a food processor, you're going to add the chicken, grated carrots and the coriander leaves. Then cover the food processor and blend for approximately 2 to 3 minutes. After approximately 2 to 3 minutes, your chicken should be nicely grinded like this. Then you're going to place the chicken in a bowl. So the next step, I'm going to add 1 egg into the chicken mixture and mix everything well and nice to make sure that you can able to shape your chicken fingers. At this point, I'm going to add 1 to 2 tablespoons of breadcrumbs to make sure that the mixture is more firm, or else when you're deep frying the fingers, they're going to burst in the oil. Once your chicken mixture is ready, grease your hands using some oil so that it can be easier to shape your chicken fingers. Then shape your chicken fingers in any shape that you prefer. And I'm done shaping my chicken fingers, and it's high time to deep fry the chicken fingers. Take 1 chicken finger at a time and dip it into the egg mixture. Then afterwards, cover it completely with the breadcrumbs, as you can see in the video step by step. And I'm done preparing my chicken fingers, and it's high time to deep fry them in the oil. The next step, you're going to add some oil in a pan or in a pot and let the oil to heat up. Once the oil is hot, you're going to add the chicken fingers and fry the chicken fingers on a medium heat until nicely cooked and golden brown. Note: make sure when you're deep frying the chicken fingers, the oil should not be hot or else the chicken fingers they're going to burst. And deep fry the chicken fingers until they're nicely fried and golden brown. Once the chicken fingers are nicely fried and have this amazing color, then your chicken fingers are ready, and remove them from the oil and place them on a plate. And my tasty chicken fingers are ready. As you can see in the video, they're nicely fried and they have this amazing golden brown color. I'm going to cut one so you can able to see how the inside look. Like, these chicken fingers are so tasty. Enjoy with any sauce that you prefer and enjoy your chicken fingers. Thank you for watching my video and hope you loved it. And if you want to see other recipes, I'll put the links in the description box. And if you have any questions, you can comment down below, or you can follow me on my social media, Facebook and Instagram, Rukias Kitchen, for further questions. And thank you once again. Bye bye.